So I'm going to be showing you this particular app that can give you 20 credits every day. You can see here, I've already claimed my 20 credits for today. So tomorrow you are going to come back here and then you are going to see where you are going to claim your another 20 credits. Now you can see here that you can even click on this place and then invite other people to use this platform. When you invite other people, you are going to get 200 credits each for each invite. It means that you can use it to do anything that you want to do. And you know that this platform use Grok, like imagine it use Grok model, it use Seedance, it use Grok, it use, you know. So you have already reviewed this platform before and you have seen what it can do. Do you understand? You have seen what it can do. So what I will advise you is that you should try and make sure that you use the invite button, invite people to use this platform so that you can be able to get free credit. Now I'm going to come here now and click on this. You are going to see the you are going to be able to import images here. Cancel, I don't want to import any image. So you are going to come here, import your image and use upload audio or select an image. Then you can see here that you can create your skill, my creation, my story video, blah blah blah, character design, scene design, item design, free creation. I think it's free creation I want to do here. So you are going to see your agent models. Do you see your agent model for video? Do you see? This is the agent, this is the models for video. You can use Seedance with this model. For image, you can use GBT image, you can use Siege Dream 5.0 Nano Banana Pro. Look at for the video, look at what you can do with the video. Let's come here, look at the video aspects. So you can use Seedance 2.0, you can use Seedance 2.0 Pro, you can use Seedance 2.0 Fast, and you can use Sora 2.0. But you see it, when I highlighted it, is for members only. I don't just tell you that you can use it for free. You can't use many of them for free. It's for members only. The only one you can use for free is Hauilo 2.3 Pro. Do you see? That is the one you can use for free. So now if you want to start creating with this platform, you are going to click off this agent here, so that you can do your thing. Because if you are using this agent, it's going to bring out what you will not like. You can even use Gemini Omni here. I'm trying to check for video. For video, almost everything is paid version. The only one that is not paid version is Seedance 1.5 Pro. Seedance 1.5 Pro is not the paid version. You can see the credit here that it's going to use this because the duration is more. So the lesser your duration, the lesser the credit you use. And the aspect ratio also affects your creation. So do you see? Your aspect ratio and your creation, it affects it. Now you can see here that this is free creation. I selected the part that is not going to really eat into your credit. Do you understand? This is story video. You can click story video and then come here. So you can click free creation. Okay, this is free creation. So now you are going to come here and then turn this off. Always make sure that you turn this off and you use Seedance 1.5 Pro. Go down and you see Seedance 1.5 Pro, and then you click, you remove the duration, you reduce the duration. You can see that this platform, it works and it still gives free credit. Now what I want to show you again is you see the images I have created with this platform before. I've created images with this platform, so I'm going to be showing you what I have created with this platform before.
Mama Joy, when did you come back from the market? I came back earlier before the fight started.
So do you see now?
You hear the latest gist? No, tell me, Jare. The market almost new cow. Chai, what?
Do you see what I've created with this before? Now, if you know that you want to get over 60 credits to 100 credits, you have to use another email to get this. Use another email, register with another email to be able to get it. So you can just come out here, log out, and then register with another email. That is how you can keep using this platform. This platform is very good, and you can use it to do whatever you want to do. Look at this. You can use to share stories. Look at this. You can see this one also. You can use to create a whole lot of things. This platform is very good and very clear, unlike other platform that is going to give you a very blurry result. This platform gives you a good result. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at what you can do with this. Now just go ahead and click on this platform OII, and you'll be able to use this platform for free if you follow the instruction I am giving. And I will see you in my next video.